Hi dear all, in this lesson we are going to learn more about countable and uncountable nouns. So first take a look at something very important, which is full categories. It is essential to know more about full categories because in that way you can be aware of the benefits or disadvantages of any kind of food. And also because not all people can eat any kind of food, so you must be aware of it to prevent bad situations regarding food. We have some categories like grains, dairy, seafood, meat, vegetables, fruits, in which grains there is bread, rice, pasta, cereal. In dairy there is milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, ice cream. In seafood there is fish, shellfish, and as well in meat there is beef, chicken. In vegetables we have things like potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes. In fruits we have apples, lemons, bananas, and so on. Now that we are aware of food categories, we can move on to countable nouns. We have to know that they are used for things that we can count with numbers. We can have singular and plural form of countable nouns. We can use a or an to countable nouns. And also we can pluralize them by adding an s at the end of the word. Here we have some examples. I have an egg for breakfast every day. I don't eat bananas. I always buy lemons for salads. In this case, we can count eggs, and we are referring to an egg, only an egg, by using the determiner an. Here in these examples, we are referring to many bananas or many lemons by adding an s at the end of the word. So we can pluralize those examples and we can count them with numbers. So they are countable nouns. For that, we can use quantifiers, but there are some quantifiers specified for countable nouns. They are how many, a lot of, and many. For example, how many eggs do you eat a week? I eat a lot of eggs. I don't eat a lot of eggs. I don't eat many eggs. They are used for countable nouns. Now let's move on to uncountable nouns. They are used for things that we cannot count with numbers, and they don't have a plural form. For example, I drink milk every morning. I don't eat seafood. I use sugar for desserts. In those cases, you cannot count the nouns and you cannot pluralize them. So they are uncountable nouns. You cannot say, I use 2 sugars. That's incorrect. So they are categorized in uncountable nouns. For that, we use quantifiers such as how much, a lot of, and much. For example, how much milk do you drink a day? I drink a lot of milk. I don't drink a lot of milk. I don't drink much milk. They are used only for uncountable nouns. In case you want to refer to a specified amount using uncountable nouns, you can use full containers such as bottle, bag, cup, carton, can, bags. For example, you can say, I have a bottle of water. You are referring to a specific amount of water, but you are using a full container. Another example is a cup of coffee. You cannot pluralize coffee. You cannot say, I have 2 coffees, but you can use full container. You can use a full container to refer to a specific amount of an uncountable noun. Here we have a list of uncountable nouns. For example, in uncountable nouns we have cookies, pancake, grapes, apples, sandwich, tomatoes, carrots, candies, potatoes. For example, you can say, I have an apple, I have two apples, I have many candies, I want um, a lot of carrots, and so on. In the contrary, you have juice, coffee, water, rice, bread, cereal, salt, jam, honey, and cheese, and you cannot count them. But you can, as I mentioned before, you can use full containers. And that's all. I hope you have understood, and thanks for your attention.